back and I'm going to show you how to make a real simple, this is absolutely a meatless meal. And it's only because I've been eating so much this last 2 weeks, and I thought, you know what, I just want a light dinner. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to do some steamed vegetables over some rice, and how wonderful. Don't even need any meat. So I'm going to show you how I steam my vegetables and how I put this together, because it really is easy. You can do it with frozen vegetables or fresh vegetables. You could even do it with canned. But I've got frozen vegetables, and I've got a nice blend of, you know, I've got broccoli and yellow and green beans. I've got a little summer squash in here, some carrots, red peppers. I got a little blend in here, and some mushrooms. And here I got my nice steamer pan with a little bit of water in the bottom of it. Got that going. So, and then back here I've got a little bit of water going, and I put just a little bit of chicken bouillon in there, just enough to flavor it. Because right here, as you can see, I make my own minute rice. I cook long grain rice, and then I dehydrate it so that you can store it in your pantry, and when you want a quick rice meal like I'm making right now, it's simple. You put it together and make it just like you would minute rice out of a box. And it's healthier for you. And you can also do this with brown rice. Now, I do got a video on dehydrating rice or making your own minute rice. You know what? Actually, I'll put a link to it here so you can see that. But you see, that's almost to a boil. I've got a cup of water in there. So with that, I'm going to put, after I dry this off, I'm going to put a cup of my minute rice in there. And then with that little bit of chicken bouillon, it'll just flavor it up just enough. See how that it almost looks just like minute, it does look just like minute rice. It's great. Greatest stuff ever. Okay, so that's starting to steam up. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to dump my vegetables and my mushrooms in there. That's going to look beautiful. And then I'm going to season it up when it's all done. I'm going to season it up with just a dot of butter and a little bit of garlic powder and onion. And you know what? If you're going to try to avoid butter, you can season this up with some thyme, some rosemary, all kinds of fresh, you know, some basil, all kinds of fresh vegetables. Anyway, okay, that's back there. You see that? That's starting to boil. So I'm going to go ahead, pour this in there. Oh, I got some sticking in there. My cup was wet. I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. Give it a little stir. I'm going to cover it up and turn that off. This is all ready to go, so I am just simply going to cover that, now that it's steaming, and just let that steam until those vegetables are tender crisp. I don't want them mushy, I just want them tender crisp. So, when that is all set, friends, and then I get ready to put it together, I'll bring you back and show you how I put it together and season it up. And it's wonderful. We'll be back. Friends, I am back, and my veggies are steamed beautifully. So, this is wonderful. I'm just going to take a little bit of garlic powder. I'm going to season them with a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder. You really don't even need to use butter, but though I like butter, I'll use just a dot of it. And a little bit of pepper. Well, you know how I am. And then with my rice, it's all done. Just see how nice it turns out, nice and fluffy. So I'm going to pour my rice on here. Okay. Then I'm just going to put my vegetables, mix them up a little bit. I'm just going to stack them right on my rice. This is going to make a beautiful little dinner. Nice light dinner. There you have it, friends. A nice light dinner. And I'm also going to put just a little dot of butter on there, and that is going to be wonderful. Meatless saves you money too. If you do it even once a week, and you're going to save some money. By the end of the year, you'll save a lot of money going meatless at least once or twice a week. Plus, you'll save a lot of calories and get some veggies. There you have it, friends. Wonderful dinner. Thanks for watching.